Mm-hmm. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some vegan pimento cheese. But before we get into this video, you guys, you already know. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. All right, you guys. So this is the pimento cheese that I just made, the vegan pimento cheese. I don't have any crackers because I'm planning to do something else with this for dinner, which I'm going to show y'all later. But yeah, y'all, I just want to jump on the camera and show my face so y'all can see me tasting this. So y'all don't think, oh, she just made it and didn't taste it. It has a great taste to it, y'all. I do have some tortilla chips though. Scoop it up with that. I did want this to be a little bit thicker, but I'm gonna let it rest in the refrigerator. So hopefully it thickens up on its own. But if it don't, it's just fine, because what I'm about to do next with y'all, oh my God. Vegan pimento cheese, y'all. All right, you guys, so this is what we're gonna be using to make the vegan pimento cheese. So Walmart was out of the sharp cheddar plant-based cheese, so I had to get this one right here. Hopefully it works well. Have some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. I got some, I'm just gonna try it with this Nashville Hot chicken seasoning, and that's because I was out of cayenne pepper. I'm like, well, okay, I got this seasoning in there. But anyway, y'all, then I have the vegan mayo, I have the pimento, I got the cream cheese, and we got some jalapenos, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this prepped up for you guys, and I'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add our cheese. I'm supposed to use like 2 cups of cheese, but I don't know if I want to use all this cheese. So I'm gonna see. That look like it's enough right there. I'm gonna add in the cream cheese. Like I said, y'all, sorry. I'm sorry that this camera is moving like this. I'm using the neck mount phone from TikTok shop. So adding the cream cheese in there. It's supposed to be softened, so I mean, hey, we're gonna see. Let me get all of that in there. Okay, we got the cream cheese. Now we're gonna go ahead and add in our pimentos. Those in there. Going to start adding in our salt, pepper. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt at a time, so when I taste it, you know, that's probably not enough just yet, but yeah. We got some pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, hit it with a little bit of the Nashville Hot chicken. Get the vegan mayo. Use about 2 tablespoons of that. Alright, y'all, so now we're gonna add in our fresh jalapenos. And we're gonna go ahead and give this a good stir, you guys. You can use a wooden spoon, you can use a blender. I do have a hand blender. So I may have to go to that because this right here may not work, y'all. Just give me 1 second. All right, y'all, hold on. Let me get this together, y'all. All right, y'all, so I have made the pimento cheese. I was gonna stay on camera and by me using this neck mount the camera was gonna be shaking all over the place just like this. So I was like, no, let me go ahead and mix all this up, you guys. But I just tasted it. It tastes amazing. I have something else I want to do to it, but y'all, when I tell y'all this tastes amazing, and I'm gonna go on camera so y'all can see that part. Y'all, I went back in and mixed up this pimento cheese. Now this is what it's supposed to look like, y'all. Just like that. All right, you guys, that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Always remember, if ain't no love in it, don't do it. And I will see you guys in the next video.